Hey guys, so I bought a house and I wanted to give you guys a tour. Thank you for tuning in to Life as a Travel Agent. All right, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to do this video because my phone keep getting notifications, but this is the entryway, and to your right, we have a great room. This is going to be my husband's man cave. We live in Florida. We can't have basements, so this is his extra room. And did you know that when you're building a house, if you don't put a closet, you could just have as many extra rooms as you want? A little tip. So it's a nice little spacious room. Um, right when you come to the door. So that is the door. You can see the door outside. All right, so when you're walking from the door, you're gonna go to your left and you're gonna have a garage, and then you're gonna go to your right and you got a little coat closet. Yeah, coat closet. We're gonna have people put shoes in there, stuff like that, and then you keep going to a laundry room, which is really spacious. I'm gonna put some cabinets in here, do some nice. I love that I have a clean palette to like do whatever I want. So that's awesome. I'm going to take you through the door again. We're going to pass all the stuff we just saw and go to your left to the garage. So that is the garage. I did take a better picture. So this was at night when we went to the house, but in the daytime, I did go in the garage. So I think I'm going to, yeah, go to how I pan the whole thing. Yeah, right here. I realized that when you're doing YouTube, you got to hold the camera a certain way. That's why that's not a wide shot. But I'm learning. I'm learning. Okay, keep going. You're gonna get to a kitchen, and I love this pantry. The pantry is everything that you want in a pantry. I thought that I like that it had a lot of space, like lots of space. I'm gonna have fun figuring out how to organize this thing. And I love that the ceilings are pretty tall. So it's just a kitchen. It's not um, nothing too fancy in here. I'm a minimalist, so I love it. This is a living room, dining room, whatever area that you want to do. And it goes out to a screened sunroom. I think I'm going to do that after I show you the master, but yeah, there I go. We're walking through the master to the bathroom first. Let me see. Keep walking, keep walking. Yep. And we go into the master bathroom. Love the double sinks. Love the big old tub. Can't wait to get into that. Standing shower. And then you have a toilet, which I love that is private. That was something that I enjoy very, very, very much. This is my master bedroom. We don't have a light. Can you believe it? So when I came in the daytime, you can really see, but there's no lights. We're going to put ceiling fans. So we already ordered 5 ceiling fans for the bedrooms. We're going to have ceiling fans. And then this is a closet. I'm thinking about sharing this closet, but we'll see. Maybe not, maybe not. I don't think I have enough stuff to fill up that closet, honestly. Yeah, I don't think so. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, we're gonna take you to the sunroom. It's a nice little screen area. We are gonna double this because we do have some nice yard space. It's not a huge yard, but it's a decent yard where we can like do this same size thing and make it bigger. So that's what we have plans. We do want to put a jacuzzi back here. And so, yeah, that'll be time. My oh, I did take one in the daytime. Yeah, so you can see it in the daytime. Yeah, so we are going to extend the yard so that we can have, that's the side of it. And we have all of that grass area where you see them pink flags. We have all the way to those pink flags. Yeah, so we're going to flatten that and we're going to extend that out. So that's going to be some fun DIY stuff that I'm going to be able to document on my channel. I was giving you guys a little side view. On both sides, we have this much space on the side. So I thought that was pretty cool. And yeah, it's winter time, so the grass isn't green. I'm gonna take a picture of it when it's spring because they told me that it's gonna turn green, but it's winter in Florida right now. So that's what the grass looks like. We're gonna go back to the kitchen and turn right, and we're gonna have 3 bedrooms over here. That's nothing to see in there. We have the bathroom, which I love. It's like a clean palette. I can do a lot of things with this, but I'm a minimalist, so I'm thinking white shower curtain and some art maybe on the walls. I'm not into different colors on the wall. They were like, "What color you gonna paint the walls?" I think white is great. I like white walls. Amazing. That's what rich people, they have white walls. They don't have all them fancy colors. We have a linen closet here. And this is 1 bedroom, which I think I'm just gonna do 3 guest bedrooms and put like a desk so I can work if I need to work. They all have closets, so I think that that's pretty cool. Going down the hallway to a 2nd bedroom. I think this is the smallest one, but it's yeah, and it's in the middle. It's a nice little small room. I'm gonna probably put a full size bed in here and a dresser. They all have little closet space. And I wish I had some light. I don't know what's wrong with my iPhone. Like, doesn't it supposed to give you a flash or something? It doesn't give you any flash or anything. I don't know. All right, then we're going to go to the 3rd one, which I think is the biggest one. I think this is the biggest one as far as landmass, but it's kind of longer. I don't know. But a full-size bedroom set is going to probably go in these 3 rooms. And it's probably going to have white walls until, like, I would say 10 years from now. Then I might want to paint, but I like white. I don't know. I like white. I might do an accent wall or something, but I'm not really into all them candy-coated painted rooms.